Why does one type of wood cost $50 while another costs $50,000? Is it all just about the brand? Today we're in a showroom where everything is made of American walnut. It's one of the most expensive types of wood in the world. I'll quickly tell you how to choose it correctly and why people pay so much for it. Here's the walnut up close. This is a top-tier material, like for example Calcutta marble and Napa leather. It's loved because it doesn't dry out or fade. Inside the cabinet, everything is also made of natural solid wood. This part here is white, the light part you see, it's closer to the bark. It's usually less expensive, but since we can't just throw away such a valuable wood, it's often used inside cabinets. And on top we see these beautiful inner cuts, which create the most beautiful pattern. The main reason why walnut is so expensive is its beautiful deep chocolate shade. In addition, for premium furniture, only the inner cuts are used, which have no defects like knots or similar imperfections. And people pay for that. Everything matches perfectly in terms of grain direction and overall structure, like a perfectly tailored suit. Here it's no longer just a material but a real sculpture. For the walnut to be able to bend, the tree must reach maturity. The tree usually grows for 50 to 80 years. In addition, logging is very strictly regulated and so is the export. That is precisely why walnut is not a cheap material. Cicati design and American walnut. Simply a perfect combination. It's like sitting in a Maserati or a Ferrari. By the way, the original brand does the interior trim for these very cars. Here the solid American walnut is bent into an arc. Look how beautifully it all flows into these side posts. Just by touching it, you can feel that it's truly natural wood, and that in itself is very pleasant, a noble material. You should keep in mind that American walnut ages very beautifully and its color only becomes even deeper and richer. And you can pass all of this down to your children as an heirloom, because dark walnut can last for a very, very long time. This bed has a different design, but the same principles apply. Solid wood around the perimeter, recessed cushions, and very clean lines. I've seen this bed quite often in our clients' projects. This table is truly built to last. Marble plus American walnut is simply a perfect combination. On top, we can see the beautiful V-shaped pattern. It's all incredibly intricate, very finely crafted. Also notice the disc. It's the so-called Chinese version of the table with a rotating disc. You can also order a more classic version without it. The entire base is made completely of natural marble, so the table won't wobble. And only a very determined thief would be able to steal a table like this. When finishing walnut, the oil applies more evenly compared to oak, which has larger pores. And the finish isn't plasticky, but has a very natural, beautiful, chocolatey shade. That's basically why walnut is so valued. Also look at this long, continuous grain pattern. You can immediately see that the cut was of the highest quality, and the wood is simply top-notch. That's why I recommend buying such items through us. And we, in turn, will check and control everything, so you can be 100% confident in your expensive purchase. American walnut is not just an expensive wood, it's a material that makes any item unique. If you want this kind of beauty for your home at the lowest possible price, you won't find it cheaper anywhere than in China. And to ensure the quality remains impeccable at a low price, contact us. We have been vetting factories for many years and work only with the best. And our managers will never ship your order until they are 100% satisfied with it. This was Matvey from the GLOBUS company. Bye everyone.